Halloween is here, and as part of our Halloween content series, we're treating you to some wild trivia about this spooky season. From monster myths to global traditions to Filipino horror legends. Samahan niyo kami as we uncover the weirdest, spookiest, and most surprising facts about Halloween. There's actually a phobia for Halloween at ang tawag dito ay Sowinophobia, the fear of Halloween itself. Some people experience genuine anxiety about the holiday, the costumes, or the spooky atmosphere. Bakit nga ba black and orange ang official colors ng Halloween? Well, some believe that black represents death and darkness while orange represents the fall harvest and the fire from the Samhain bonfires. Dun sa previous episode namin about the origins of Halloween, napag-usapan natin na originally singkamas ang gamit as jack-o'-lanterns. And get this, there's an actual preserved turnip jack-o'-lantern from the 1900s displayed at the Museum of Country Life in Ireland. Yung name na jack-o'-lantern, galing siya sa Irish legend about Stingy Jack. A little correction, dun sa previous episode, ang sabi ko Stingy Jack, but ang correct name is Stingy Jack. So according to urban legends, Jack was forced to wander the earth forever at ang gamit lang niya ay isang carved turnip na may burning coal inside to light his way. So he became known as Jack of the Lantern or Jack-o'-lantern. Ang isa sa mga big misconceptions sa monster lore is thinking that Frankenstein ay pangalan ng monster, pero pangalan ito ng scientist that created the monster, si Dr. Victor Frankenstein. Sa monster pop culture, everyone knows that silver bullets are used to kill werewolves, diba? Pero hindi pala yan part ng original folklore at itong concept na to ay inintroduced lang sa isang 1941 Hollywood film called The Wolfman. In Western culture, especially sa US and sa Europe, black cats mean bad luck, diba? Pero in Japan, Scotland, and some parts of England, they're actually seen as good luck. Bats became associated with Halloween because of the ancient Samhain bonfires. The fires attracted insects while the insects attracted bats. And people thought na yung bats were spirits of the dead. The origin of zombies can be traced back to folklores from Haiti. Pero sa folklores nila, walang brain-eating zombies. Yung brain-eating zombies was actually popularized by the 1985 movie Return of the Living Dead. Candy corn probably ang pinaka-associated with Halloween in American culture. It's a small triangular candy that's yellow, orange, and white designed to look like a kernel of corn. When it was first made in the 1880s, it was called chicken feed and literally marketed with a rooster on the box. It only became a Halloween thing in the 1950s because of the harvest colors. Sa Ireland at Scotland, they eat barmbrack during Halloween. Isa siyang fruity bread with objects hidden inside. If you get the ring in your slice, ibig sabihin nun magpapakasal ka na daw soon. Sa Mexico naman, during Dia de los Muertos, they make pan de muerto, isang sweet bread decorated with bone-shaped dough eaten near graves. In medieval Europe, yung original treats na binibigay kapag Halloween ay soul cakes. Ito ay small round cakes given in exchange for prayers for the dead. Sa Mexico, meron silang tinatawag na Dia de los Muertos at ito ay sineselebrate ng November 1 and 2. Katulad na rin to ng Undas ng Pilipinas kung saan meron silang mga colorful altars, ang tawag nila ay ofrendas, nilalagyan nila ng mga photos, nilalagyan ng bulaklak, at yung paboritong pagkain ng kanilang mga deceased relatives. Sa Japan, meron silang tinatawag na Obon Festival at nagaganap to ng mid-August. They believe their ancestor spirits return to visit so they light lanterns and float them down rivers. And get this, they make spirit animals from vegetables. Mga cucumbers with legs become horses to help spirits return home quickly. Eggplants become cows to slowly guide them back. Sa China naman, meron silang tinatawag na Hungry Ghost Festival around August or September. They believe ghosts roam the earth so people burn offerings and incense. Ang Shake, Rattle, and Roll is one of the longest-running horror franchises in the Philippines and Southeast Asia. Nagsimula ito noong 1984 and the latest installment was released in November 2023. That's 39 years. 16 installments in total. Ang highest-grossing Filipino horror film ay Sukob from 2006 and it earned 203 million pesos. It was the highest-grossing Filipino film of all time until 2009. Bago pa dumating yung American version ng trick or treating sa Pilipinas, meron na tayong tinatawag na pangangaluluwa. Dito, kids dressed in white as souls from purgatory went house to house singing for prayers and kakanin. And there you have it, from carved turnips to candy corn, from monster myths to our own Filipino traditions. Enjoy this spooky season, stay curious, at hinay-hinay lang sa pagkain ng candy. Maraming salamat sa panonood ng video. Magiging malaking tulong kung magsusubscribe kayo sa channel, ilalike ang aming mga videos, at pakishare na rin sa mga friends ninyo. Tandaan, ang kukoting Pinoy ay kukoting matalino. Isip, tuklas, kwento.